So the presentations are very well done. They have selected people from the aerospace industry that are very skilled at presenting and have a tremendous amount of experience in their area where they work, and some of them, of course, are more technical experts. Some of them are more in functional management or program management, as well as there are industry leaders that have their own company and have that benefit of, you know, the top level CEO, COO perspective. So it has all of those elements, and yes, the presentations are quite good. Some of them are extremely energetic as well, and that's also kind of a added benefit.